just looks kind of cooked right now.
I agree. I'll go south and east. We might have a tornado. Straight ahead of us. Maybe not. But you saw that, right?
Yeah.
What?
We are southeast of Conway. We're looking pretty much just straight northwest.
We're looking due west.
We're looking due west, and I think we may have just got a tornado, but I don't know. It just looked very conicular shape that just came down, is since not there anymore.
It was because that rotating funnel thing, when you first were getting a view, did the same thing, and I never saw ground circulation.
I agree, but this one is much lower.
I can still see it.
That one was pretty low. It was like halfway to the ground. First one.
This one is certainly more than that, I will say that. Looks like it's like occluding almost. So
Yeah,
I
it's
think
got like a rope look to
it's
it.
like a rope.
I need this precept, Chad.
Can you turn this down?
Here.
Sorry.
There you go.
What the? Is that a tornado?
Dude, I don't know.
Dude, I kind of think that is.
I also need to fix these mergers, but I think there's going to be too many.
Wait, that actually could do it.
It could. Dude, the motorcyclist.
Right?
That was funny. At least he waved me by.
Jim. I don't know, Jimmy. I don't know. Looks like it might be getting ready to produce. Look at the velocities, Jimmy. It might have a chance.
Why? It slowed down a lot.